We have no idea if we're actually meant to be in here.
Change of plan. No.
The decision to move was definitely right.
Hey everyone, welcome to another video where you join us in France on our European road trip. Now, we've been travelling for a couple of hours since the campsite that we just stayed at. We found this here and we're just going to have a little bit of a walk around. It is for motorhomes and that only. They do have a service area here, so we're just going to go for a quick walk and see if it's going to be somewhere that we're going to be staying tonight. So we're at the lower end of the north of France and we've already said tomorrow we're going to go a bit further, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to go down into the south and then come back up and go more eastern France before we go into Switzerland.
And that's right, so we're parked up there and there's obviously a forest type of walk here, so we're just going to go for a walk. Huh?
I want to go this way.
Right, so we'll go this way and then what we're going to do...
What are you feeling about this campsite? Well, air.
Yeah, it's alright, it's nice and quiet.
All around the world.
Yeah! Come on! Might end up staying here, but what we're going to do is we're going to see...
We might not, so we'll see.
We'll see, but we're going to have a look in the book that we have and just see if there's like anything, you know, close by that we can like look at and, you know, make a decision then. That's a good thing about doing what we're doing. We don't have to stay at one place, and yeah, we found this here, but we'll have a look at some others that are nearby in the book and then we'll make a decision. So I'll keep going that way, but as you can see it's flooded there because there's water here, but Brooke just said there's a path here that takes us in there, so let's go and have a look.
Ahoy, sailor. Just walked into this petting zoo through the park. We have no idea if we're actually meant to be in here, but there's nobody about.
So we've decided we are staying here. Now, we have said in previous videos about, you know, like when you're kind of like well camping, you know, that we wouldn't advise, you know, putting things like this on because, you know, if you need to drive away. This is actually specifically for motorhomes only, and, you know, we do feel quite secure in here.
I think Bar's had a long walk today.
Change of plan. What?
You told them?
No, just
Oh my god, well, I don't want to tell you too much, but we're going on an adventure and I'm so excited!
As I said before, a change of plan. Now,
We're going on an adventure!
when we was parked in that air, really nice air, chilling, like loads of people actually came over talking to us and everything, you know, it's nothing to do with that. But me and Brooke was sat there and we're like, kind of like twiddling our thumbs.
We're not tired at all.
It's early evening.
We had a nice chill out evening last night because it was at the campsite, so we just thought, screw it, let's go on an adventure. So
we've decided we're heading towards the French Alps.
I was just checking in here where we was going.
Yeah, we're going
to the Alps.
Now it's a 4-hour drive to get there, but we knew that tomorrow we're going to be sort of like going over there, because what we want to do some exploring around there. So we thought, you know what, we'll just start around. We kind of both was like,
I want to do something, but I don't know what. So
we both wanted to do the same thing, but so we're doing it. So we're on the road now for 4 hours. You know
and
what?
I've got these out again because we were heading over to this area. So I need to find an air.
Yes, because we're going to be spending, how long are we going to be sort of like doing the French Alps for?
A couple of days, but I want to go to Lake Annecy.
Right. Okay.
Might not have said that right, but I want to go there as well, so we're going to go there as well, aren't we?
Yeah, so let's go.
This is Macon.
Sigo pensando en ti, noche, se va la noche, y sigo pensando en ti, sigo bailando, sigo esperando, sigo bailando, sigo soñando, sigo bailando, bailando hasta que salga el sol. Sigo bailando, bailando hasta que salga el sol.
Gonna try and see if we can have a look at the sunset here, because that looks amazing. What an amazing view to wake up to in winter if you was camping up here. We just parked over there. We're in a ski resort that's out of season and we're gonna go and do some exploring. Now the thing is, we drove here last night and as you've seen it was late last night, so we just got here, went to sleep and there's nobody here. Just look at these views. Amazing.
So the decision to move was definitely right, because look at this place.